Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix start menu not working in Windows 10 or 11. Press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together. Search for Windows Explorer key, right click and click on Restart. Click on File, click on Run New Task. Type msconfig. Click on OK. Click on Boot. Check Save Boot and select Network. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Click on File again. Run a new task. Type cmd. Select Create this task with Administrative. Type sfc /scan now and then click Enter. It will take some time, wait till the scan is completed. Restart your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.